Hello, hello. Hmm. Mm, 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 mm. Is this working? I guess it's working now. It's very good. All right, let's start. I've been I've been away for like 10 days from trading, so I feel quite rusty. Oh, where did we stop? Let's see. It's been a while, man. It's been a while. September. Okay. Start Tuesday. Habibi Nizaro. Did you see Wednesday and Friday's price action? Was clean price action. That's very good. Hopefully that's some good news. I really hope. Um, okay. Let's see. Previous daily high, previous daily low. What do you have here? Yeah, it was clean, I swear. Even the FOMC day seems very good. Very good. I like it. I really liked it. Okay, we took previous day low. We have SMT. Yep, that's our entry. It's a reversal. The entry is here. It's the SMT. Boom. Risking to risk to reward. Here, okay. At partials, 75. Auto break even, 1. Seven journal. We are below midnight. Yeah, obviously we are below midnight up and below VWAP because we're taking in a reversal. SMT, yes, reversal. VWAP below, midnight open below. That's stop loss. Boom. Save and journal. One stop, one TP. One stop, one TP. Next. I'm gonna be doing very quick back testing now. I need to finish the series ASAP. I want to finish the series ASAP. Yep, we have this gap here. We inverted it. It's 1101. It's my stop. And I do have an SMT. It's a small SMT actually, but it is an SMT. Tourist reward. Oh, okay. Break even. Break even trade. VWAP above. Oh no. Yeah, VWAP above, midnight open below. So that's why it's not it is not a plus setup, even though we had SMT, but the midnight open was far away. SMT, yes. Break even. We might have a re-entry here. Let's see. Oof. Actually, our entry is right here. Watch this. That's crazy. It's a crazy entry. That small candle inverted the gap and closed above the range. This one here. This gap. My entry right there. I do have a big SMT. It's this one. Seems good. Okay. Stop as a break even and then a break even. Break even, SMT yes, VWAP below, and then open below. And that's it. The other day. Boom, boom, boom. September, high and low. We go here. What just happened? Why is this Nasdaq? It's ES. Okay, good. That's the high and low. Did we invert? We invert. Did we close? No, we did not close. So this is our entry here. If we invert this gap, yep, that's our entry. 10:15. That's my last swing. There is no SMT, so target to RR. And that's stop loss. Where is the midnight open? Yeah, everything above. Everything is above. VWAP above. Midnight open. SMT no. It's really, oh, what happened? Okay, when you trade one trade a day, psychologically you would feel so like mentally relaxed, you know. It's even though maybe you might miss a good trade, like you might get stopped and then goes to your favor, but if you accumulate the one trades along, you know, in the long term, you are 100% profitable. And the backtesting that I'm showing you guys says it by itself. Good morning, Luca, bro. How are you? Man, I feel like it's been ages we did not trade. This fucking market, man. It's a troll market. I swear to God. How are you, bro? Yep, we do have an SMT. That's my SMT. And stop loss. What time is it? Yeah, stop loss. So that is VWAP above, but let's open above. Good, 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 bro. I'm hoping next week we get something decent, no? If you open the chart on Wednesday, which is the FOMC day, and Friday, oh my God, it was such a clean price action. It's so smooth. That is the price action that I'm looking forward to. So hopefully Monday, it gives us an example how the week should be. Is that an entry? Oh, that's my entry. Okay. Gonna re-enter here. The limit order. And targeting here. Oh, what the hell? Tourist reward. Okay. Stop loss to break even. And that's a break even. VWAP below, net open below, there is no SMT. Oh shit. Break even. Okay, good. Oh my god, that break even saved our life. Oh wait, don't tell me that's FOMC, man. Okay, good, good. It's very good. So if we invert this gap, we're gonna go for longs. Yep, we just inverted. And we closed above above the range. We do have an SMT as well. No, no SMT. There is no SMT. Wow, that's crazy. Would you look at that? We do have a re-entry here actually. Let me just see the re-entry. Be here. If it was break even, I'm not gonna redo it. But if it was TP, then yeah. Oh, I would have to redo it then. Let's see. First, let me journal this. VWAP above, midnight open above. SMT, no. Break even. And then we return to this day here. It's 11:57, so 3 more minutes to invalidate our trading time, right? So we still have time for re-entry, which is here. That's 1 to 1. That's 1 to 2. But do we have an SMT though? No SMT. Okay, that's 1 to 1. Stop loss to break even. Okay, that took a read like that's a boring ass trade, but it's a winner nevertheless. VWAP above, midnight open above, there's no SMT. Really good trade. So what are we on? 2 wins, 3 losses, and 1 break even. Wednesday. Previous day low is there, okay. So we have this gap here. That's our entry. Do we have any SMT? No, we don't. We do not have any SMT. Risking to risk to reward. Stop loss, yeah. Or below the VWAP, below midnight, yes. VWAP below, midnight open, below, SMT no. Okay. Yeah, so what happened there? Price swept the London lows and then reversed. So now we just swept the previous daily low. That's where we're gonna be looking for a reversal. Okay. I do not have an SMT. That's an SMT. Not anymore. Oop. That's our entry for the shorts though. That's a short entry here. That's my stop. And I do have an SMT, which I really like. that's a break-even trade. Oh, it's not? Okay. Risk to reward. 1-to-1 hit. Now stop loss to break even. And that's a TP hit. Nice. That's one. Clean trade. Very clean trade. That's a A plus plus, actually S tier setup. We are below midnight open, below VWAP, there's an SMT, and we are below the range. It's beautiful. So the price swept the previous daily low, right? And then it did not reverse back, right? It did not reverse back. It did not give me an entry for the long because there's no SMT. But gave me another SMT for the shorts. That means it wants to continue back down. Simple as this. Let's see. Yeah, it's a bearish day. That's Monday. Nope. Again, we swept previous daily low. We might be looking for longs. Let's see. It's the high and the low. Ooh. No SMT. We do have an SMT here though. Yep, that's our entry. Okay, like, I don't know how this trade is going to be, but that's this type of trade that I actually really like. Really clean and clear SMT here. We inverted, we closed very strong. It might be a fake out, but it follows our rules, right? Yep, screw the rules. Screw the rules. That was a really good trade. Like a really good setup. I love it. What below? That open below. I have an SMT. I swept previous day low. We inverted the fair value gap. We closed strong, but the price inverted a lot of fair value gaps here. But it just wants to be bearish for the rest of the day, I guess. Next day. We have the high and the low. Obviously, guys, there's one thing. So these stop losses could be easily prevented, right? I'm gonna give you a tip. Always keep an eye for London lows and London highs, right? And also Asia lows and Asia highs. That's where discretion comes in. If the price swept previous daily low and the orb gave you an entry for the short, then you have to analyze. Do I go for the short or wait for this price action to give me a SMT for the longs, or wait an invalidation for the longs? The invalidation is basically when the price inverts a bullish fair value gap and then it gets stops, right? That's where for me that's an invalidation. I'm not gonna look for shorts anymore. So that's where discretion comes in, obviously. London lows, Tokyo lows, previous day the highs and lows, very strong level of liquidity. The price might have a small retracement or like a 50% retracement or a full reversal. So few days here we entered short when the price swept the previous the London lows, which is a not really optimal entry, right? But I've set some rules and I'm following them. No, regardless if we swept London lows or London highs, I don't care. And even though we are ending profitable every month, that's my main goal. Like that's what I want to share with you. Because if I want to take into consideration, oh, we swept London lows, then I have to make one decision. If we swept London lows, then I'm not gonna look for shorts anymore, only for reversals. As simple as that. But I like to have a trend friendly strategy, not a reversal. That's my entry. Let me just double check. That's not an FOMC day. Yeah, it is an FOMC day. Oh my god. So we skipped that day because it's Wednesday. Okay. It's the high and low. Okay, we have this gap here. This gap. Okay, we just inverted that gap here. It's my gap. We do have an SMT as well. Okay. Price is below VWAP and below midnight open. Follows our rules. Tourist to the word. And the stop loss. September is not a very good month, I guess. But below midnight open below. SMT, yes. So far 2, 4, 6. So break even so far. So 2 winning trades and then we're back to profits. Probably like 1 to 2% maybe. That's the high and the low. No previous daily high. I'm looking at this gap. Okay, we inverted that gap. We don't have any other gap before. Nope, that's the first gap. That is my stop loss. That is my TP. Do I have any SMT? No SMT. Okay, stop loss to break even. TP hit. Very good trade, very good setup. I do have an SMT though. No SMT. VWAP above, midnight open above. SMT no, and save. Okay. Next day. Oh, this is last week, no? Yeah, that's the last week. Holy shit, I finished that month so fast. That's Monday. Okay. Okay, like here for instance. So see, price swept London lows, right? Oh wait, never. It also swept the previous day low. So here you have for you to adjust the strategy. You know, make your own rules. You could say, okay, price swept previous day low and London lows. I'm not gonna look for shorts. I'm only gonna looking for longs. Hello, yeah, how are you? Good. Welcome, welcome. So yeah, we swept previous day low and London lows. Then you have to fix some rules to you and then follow them. Will you be like for me here in live? I'm not gonna go shorts. I'll be crazy to go shorts. I need to wait few confirmation. Price goes back to the orb. Well, obviously I need an SMT to cover the longs, but if the price did not give me an SMT and then give me an entry for the shorts, usually I won't take it. I would like to see the price action to actually change the structure by breaking a structure and then like change market structure shift and then break of structure. That's where I would go back for the shorts usually. So now we do not have an okay, we do have an SMT though. Now, so see, like we had SMT here. That's an SMT here. So this candle created the SMT, but we inverted that gap. But we inverted that gap before creating an SMT. So I would be looking for this inversion now to enter for the longs. This one here. See, like that's why I love SMT. It just gives me an extra layer of security, you know, like safety. So here I'm not gonna go for I just prevented the loss because there's no SMT. Be patient. No SMT. down. Sadly, the price did not give me. Like, see here now, we broke structure again. That's where I've been looking for shorts. No SMT. Sad. Price went without us. Oh, we have an entry here. Me too, yeah, habibi, me too. It's been a while. Next week, bro. Next week we're gonna go back. Price action. I do not want to jinx it. Price action was good the past 2 days. So let's hope we can get a decent price action as well next week. It was really good. It was really good, to be honest. I liked it. And we do have an SMT as well. Okay, that's very good. Below midnight open, below VWAP. Targeting this low, which is tourist reward. Is that 1-to-1? No, here. Yeah. It's 1-to-1. Break even. My stop is a bit big. Oh my god. How close we were to the TP though. That's very sad. But yeah, break even. Like in this scenario, in the live, you can just trail your stop, do whatever you want. Obviously, the live is completely different. You'll have feelings and emotions. Probably you could have traded your stop at the last swing, or maybe chase the price. Yeah, up to you. Up to you. Okay. Wednesday. Just let me make sure we don't have any FOMC. It's very good. Okay, good. Did we? No, we did not. Previous low is all the way here. Like, see here, the price swept London lows, Tokyo lows, gave you an SMT for a reversal, but there's no entry actually. We might go back down. Okay, that's my entry. Is that a swing? It is a swing. Yep, that's your entry here. Okay, 1-to-1. Yo, welcome, bro. Coach Best. How long I've been? 30 minutes. Well, that's there's 2 more trades and then I'm done. Because every time I backtest 1 month. It's completely 1 month. But if you have any question, bro, just drop your questions, man. Or you can just see the rest of the recordings. Wait, I think I did a mistake though. That's my stop. That's that TP hit actually. Yeah, I hope it goes back down. Nice, it goes back down, very good. I had it on the low, previous area low, which was 2.5 risk to reward. So that's wrong. Oh, clean trade. Do we have an SMT on the entry? Yes, we do. Yeah, bro, so if you have any questions, feel free to drop any, man. More than happy to answer. yes. Okay. Good, 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 good. Wednesday done, let's go Thursday. Previous day low and high is here. Previous day low, previous day high. Market the high and the low. 1 minute. Let's see, let's see, let's see. There's no gap. We retested that orb. Oh wait, we had a gap here. Huh? Yep, that's my entry. Entry was one candle before. Went back down, created a gap and inverted it. That's my long. I think there's an SMT if I'm not mistaken. Let me just... Where's my orb? Holy Grail. Did you see Friday and Wednesday? That was really good. I think the price action is going back to normal, hopefully. It looks good, it looks really clean. Of course, the day I decided to not trade, it delivers. It delivers some clean price action. That's stop loss. Is there an SMT? No SMT above midnight and VWAP. VWAP above midnight open above. SMT nope. And then let's go last trade of the day. And then we're gonna go to the analytics section and analyze. I think we had around 150 to 200 trades. Let's see. The last trade for the day. High and low. Yeah, this looks like a bullish trend. Got this gap here. Never mind. This gap. We have a gap here. It's a very choppy price action. Oh my god. Oh, that's my entry here. 11:28. My short entry. Come on. Okay. Oh, where's the orb? Come on. My orb is gone again, man. What the fuck? But that was the entry here. This candle. I'm not gonna do it again. Just the entry. Stop loss is here. And we do have a really clean, nice and SMT. Very clean SMT. Right there. Where's the one-to-one? Just take partial, stop loss to break even. Okay. TP hit. Oh my god, it just literally hit TP and reversed. It's crazy. Good. That's a really good end of the month. Wait, I need to journal that. VWAP below. Midnight open below, yes. SMT, yes. And then we're done with September. Save, man. going on? Is it from me? My internet connection maybe is. Hopefully not. It is there, but I did not journal it. The price, like, register it. Let me just refresh the page. But I just couldn't journal it. It's very important to journal the variables. Like, the trade is a winner, okay, but I want the variables to be in. SMT, midnight open, etc. Should be there. Come on. Okay, 29 September. Save, nice. Okay, and we ended the month here, right? Yeah, let's go to the analytics section. Analyze data. So far, okay, 63% win rate, 155 trades. Look at the equity curve, it's just so clean. It's just so damn clean. And that's what you need. You need to have something like this. And we have 4 lose streak and 7 win streak so far, which is very good. 1 to 1 is the break even. Max RR is 2R. We ended the month 2.4% in dollars on a 50k account. Obviously, I'm risking 0.5% of a 50k balance. That's $1,217 a month on one account. The way how you need to approach prop firms and futures, you need to copy trade. Obviously, one account is not enough. You can start with one account, have a small payout to scale up more accounts. That's how I usually do. And yeah, that's a pretty clean month, honestly. We had a rough 2 weeks and then we ended up cleaning up. It's very good. Any questions? Oh yeah, I need to just check one thing. Tag filters. Let's see the win rate when we are above the VWAP and then above the midnight open, okay? And we don't have an SMT. I need to add and. SMT, no. Oops. Midnight open above. So always put and, do not put or. So VWAP and midnight open and SMT. Okay? And then side is long. Apply filter. So that's 55% win rate. 47 trades. Alright, this is only when you go long and you are above midnight open and above VWAP. Okay? Without SMT. Let's just add SMT and see the difference. Obviously the SMT will reduce the frequency because we don't have SMT every time. Let's see. Apply filter. 64% win rate. So almost 10% more. Well, obviously from 45 to 17 trades. But that roughly explains that when you have an SMT, the chances of the trade to be a winner is higher. So what do you get from this? Maybe you can only look for trades with SMT, but you will have very less frequency. So to avoid this, maybe just increase your risk when you see an SMT in place. SMT, VWAP above and midnight open is above the price. Just increase your risk. That's what I do personally, to be honest. Let's do the shorts as well. So SMT no, VWAP below because we're taking shorts below the orb. Midnight open below. Apply filters, and we have okay, 65% win rate on the shorts, 43 trades. Now let's just add an SMT let's see the results. 65%, 43 apply filter, 73% win rate, 26%, 26 trades. That's the power of having a variables, guys. Variables, it creates edge. It's crazy. So we saw when we take longs or shorts to our bias, if we add an SMT to it, and also we are below midnight open or below VWAP if we are going shorts, and vice versa for the longs, the probability of that trade to be a winner is very high, having an SMT. Okay? Any questions? I think that's very clear, no? I think that's very clear. Any questions? I think I'm gonna end it here. So we have October, November, December. So October, November, December, we're gonna only backtest the first 2 weeks because that's my rules. I do not backtest. I mean, I do not trade the last 2 weeks of December and the first week of January. So basically, the last 3 weeks you do not trade. And yeah, so far we are profitable. The only month that we're down is May, and June was break even. May we were down like negative $435, and in June $200. So basically, well, actually, both of them you could say 2 break even months. Actually, wait, July, wait, what the hell? It makes no sense. Oh yeah, because I have the filters on. My bad. It makes no sense. Okay, apply the filter back. Okay. Oh yeah, that makes more sense. So April and May was a break even. June, yeah, and the rest of the year was just profitable. At least 2%. At least 2% a month. That's very good. Very, very, very good results. Okay. That'll be it, boys. I'll see you guys next week, Saturday. Take care. Bye bye.